Hello and welcome to Cluster Repairs UK. Today we will be presenting the repair service for the 2012 to 2020 Fiat 500 334 VP2 Sat Nav radio display. This display is recognised to have a few common faults, such as an erratic or very slow to respond touchscreen, a touchscreen that no longer works, black marks and spots on the display, a white screen, or areas where parts of the display are missing. Here under test, you can see the touchscreen no longer functions correctly. At Cluster Repairs UK, we provide a complete display and touchscreen repair backed by a lifetime warranty, giving our customers complete peace of mind. After our full display and touchscreen repair service, the screen looks brand new and the touchscreen responds perfectly. Cluster Repairs UK has been a trusted name since 1986. With 2 UK locations and award-winning customer service, you can be confident you've chosen a premium service you can rely on. Repairs can be booked online for mail-in service, dropped off in-store, or scheduled as a while-you-wait appointment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. We look forward to getting your display fully restored.